Hello family and friends. Thank you for joining me today. I am going to do something I've not done before, and I am going to actually get some light on the subject. Anyhow, I'm going to do an ornament out of a little gourd. They're gourd ornaments, and I'm going to use Crayolas. I'm using the glitter Crayolas as well as just the regular ones. And we're going to see how this turns out. I saw someone do it last year when I was kind of looking to see how to do ornaments, and I've done the burning and the painting, just a variety of different ornaments, but I wanted to try something a little bit different, and this looked like fun. So what I did is I have 4 colors, but I think I might use 3. We'll find out. And we're going to paint the colors on here and then use a heat gun to make it melt. So let's see, I'm not quite sure how to do this, but we'll give it a try. So I'm not sure. So I'm just going to slather it. Oh gosh, I'm not even in the camera. I'm just going to slather it on in a swirl and just get it on the gourd. Now, the woman that did this, she was saying that you need to make sure that your colors kind of touch, because if they don't touch, then they don't blend or run really well. So I'm going to do the best I can. So I'm just going to follow along the previous yellow one that I did. I'm not doing very well being in the frame. And this red has a little bit of a glitter to it. Okay. And what I'm using, these are really little votive candle holders. And these are little trays that warm up. If you have a candle, a scented candle, you can actually use these without burning a flame, a little safer. But this will be interesting to see how it turns out, because I certainly don't know what the heck I'm doing. Nice thing is the wax dries rather quickly. You can see, just spreading it on. Now, and this is a yellow. We'll see how this turns out. I want to get some more of this. Trying to get it so I'm staying within the shot. And you can see that I lifted the crown or the hanging part off just a little bit. Okay. See a hole. I see another little hole because I was watching and she said, I can't remember the woman's name, if I can remember it, but I remember her saying that you need to make sure that they do touch if you want the colors to blend. So that's what I'm trying to do. And it looks like a mess. I hope it turns out prettier than what it looks like right now. So let me get my heat gun and then we'll go to the next step. I'll be right back with you. I'm gonna use my heat gun, keep it on low to kind of see what's gonna happen here. I may kick it up, but yeah, it's not hot enough. Trying to use this parchment paper to help me stay centered. Oh, there you go. You can see it start to get shiny and melt. I'm gonna and it's supposed to run and it will drip. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Okay, this is kind of cool. I'll pick it up and show you in a second here what's happening. But you can begin, ooh, that gets hot. Woo. So you can see how the Crayolas are heating up and melting and then dripping down. Can you see that? Isn't that cool? Okay. So, let me turn this off. Okay. And just want to make sure I've got the bottom nice and smooth. So, okay, let me show you how it turned out. So, I don't know, can you see the bottom of this? I'm sorry, the lighting, it's late, and the lighting is not the best. Pull my light over a little closer, maybe that will help. So, if you can see, look at how pretty that is. Now, I'm thinking, look at this bottom. I need to get rid of this bubble here and this bubble here. But, so I think I'm going to heat it up again, and I'm going to add a little bit of glitter. I think I want to add, I'm just going to do a gold glitter. Actually, I've got two different types of glitter I could use. I think I'm going to use this one though. So let's see what happens here now. So when it gets warmed up and it gets shiny, I'm just going to sprinkle, ooh, that wasn't smart, a little bit of gold glitter on it. I feel like I need 4 hands to do this. Let's see. I need maybe a different type of heat gun, one that turns off and on really quickly. What's a house at Christmas time without glitter everywhere, right? See if I can smooth out that bottom. There we go. Okay. So I think the last step, I'm going to seal it. As soon as my heat gun cools down, I'll show you what it looks like. And then I want to put a couple coats of sealer on it and see if that real shiny finish will come through. But it's pretty interesting. I think I'm gonna check out a few more options, like, you know, with colored wax, and see if maybe there might be some stronger colors, or, but let me show you. Okay, so here it is. And I don't know if you can see. And mind you, I had never done this before. This is my first time. And I think as you get better, oh, that could be melted out. I think as you get better, as you do it more often, you'll get better at it. I have this run that I want to try and take back down the other way. So let's see if I can do that without messing the whole thing up. But I do love the way the wax just melts into each other. And I think the way you lay it onto the gourd makes a big difference. So I think I probably would have gone with smaller lines of the colors so that they would have run more. You would have seen more colors and not more blobs, because I feel like there's just too big. I would like to have seen more runs. So I'm going to try this again. And I think what I might do is do rings instead of doing a swirl. I think I'm going to do rings going around and see how that works out. So let me get this sprayed with sealer, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like all done. Thank you for going on this adventure with me. It was something new, and I love to try new things and figure them out. And I think I am going to try it again, and I'll share an update with you after that's done. So until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.